Welcome back to the Carlook today, the 2025 Plymouth Road Runner. Picture the legendary beep beep icon reborn as a fire-breathing retro-modern beast. Plymouth's back, and this thing's here to smoke the competition. Let's dive in and see what this dream ride's got in store. From the first glance, it's pure Road Runner DNA, but with a 2025 edge. That wide, snarling grille screams 1969, rocking the classic split design, but now it's flanked by razor-thin LED headlights that cut through the night. The hood's got a functional air grabber scoop popping up when you mash the gas, and it's pinned down with old-school hood pins for that raw vibe. In vitamin C orange, the body's sculpted tight, with flared fenders hugging 20-inch alloys wrapped in grippy Pirelli P0s. The side profile keeps it clean, no clutter, just a subtle Road Runner badge and chrome trim that catches the sun. Out back, horizontal LED taillights and a ducktail spoiler nod to the Superbird, while dual exhausts growl loud enough to wake the neighbors. Coupe only, no convertible yet, but that hardtop roofline is all business, ready to carve up the streets. Step inside, and it's like the 70s met a tech lab. The cabin's driver first, with bolstered bucket seats in black leather and Alcantara, stitched with that iconic cartoon bird logo. The flat-bottom steering wheel feels race-ready, and a 12-inch digital gauge cluster flips between retro analog dials and full-on performance stats. A 15-inch touchscreen runs the show. Wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a banging 10-speaker audio system. Brushed aluminum trim keeps it classy, but don't expect a backseat built for adults. It's more for your gym bag than your crew. You've got adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, and a backup camera. But the vibe's still raw with a manual handbrake for those who want to slide. The trunk's decent for a weekend trip, and that air grabber switch on the dash? Flip it and feel the rush. Now, let's get to the good stuff. Power. Under the hood's a supercharged 6.4-liter HEMI V8, churning out 510 horsepower and 500 pound-feet of torque. 0 to 60? 3.6 seconds flat. Quarter mile? Under 12 seconds with a top speed kissing 190. You've got an 8-speed automatic for smooth shifts, but purists can grab the 6-speed manual, clutch in, row your own gears, and hear that V8 roar. Rear-wheel drive keeps it classic, with an optional all-wheel drive system for extra grip. The adaptive suspension dials between cushy for cruising and stiff for track days. And Brembo brakes haul it down from speed like nobody's business. It's a street king that'll embarrass sports cars, yet it's tame enough for a coffee run. So, what's the hit to your wallet? The base Road Runner starts at $48,000. Affordable for a muscle car this potent. Want the full package with the manual, AWD, and premium trim? You're looking at $65,000. Still a bargain next to a Mustang Mach-1 or Charger Hellcat. It's got the looks, the grunt, and the soul to make every drive a story. That's the 2025 Road Runner Carlook crew. Smash that like button if you're feeling the beep beep vibes, subscribe for more, and hit the comments. Manual or auto, what's your call? We're out. Keep it floored.